In front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Sounds and Vibration. Following that, you can tap on Vibration at the top in the middle, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you're ready, scroll down, click on Phone Ringtone, select Vibration option to Sim 1 and Sim 2, and apply the best vibration pattern for you. In my case, beat, and maybe SOS. You can also select None section at the bottom to disable it. When you finished, go back, click on Notification Tone, and do exactly the same for your notifications. Lastly, tap on More Settings at the bottom and click on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. You can also click on this one next to System Haptics to enable or disable vibrations for key system events and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!